Is your toddler bothering you during eating? Understanding the reasons behind the child's refusal to eat. Toddlers may refuse to eat for various reasons. Some common factors include picky eating. Toddlers often go through phases of being picky eaters and may reject foods they previously enjoyed. Teething. Teething can make eating uncomfortable for toddlers. Independence. Toddlers might want more control over their choices, including what they eat. Illness. When a toddler is sick, they might have a decreased appetite. Growth spurts. Appetites can vary during growth spurts. Food allergies or sensitivities. Sometimes, discomfort from specific foods can lead to refusal. Snacking. Excessive snacking between meals can reduce their hunger during mealtimes. Strategies to encourage healthy eating. Encouraging your toddler to eat can be a positive and supportive process. Here are some strategies to help. Offer a variety of foods. Introduce a range of healthy foods to expand their palate and ensure they receive essential nutrients. Set a routine. Establish regular meal and snack times to create a predictable eating schedule. Lead by example. Show enthusiasm for healthy eating and enjoy meals together as a family. Create a positive mealtime environment. Make mealtimes pleasant, free from distractions. Involve them. Allow your toddler to participate in meal preparation or setting the table. This can make them more interested in the meal. Be patient. Understand that toddlers may go through phases of picky eating, so be patient and avoid pressure. Use positive reinforcement. Praise and encourage your child when they try new foods or finish their meal. Make healthy foods fun. Present nutritious foods in creative and appealing ways, such as making smiley face sandwiches or fruit kebabs. Serve age-appropriate portions. Ensure portion sizes are suitable for your child's age and appetite. Limit sugary or processed foods. Reduce the availability of sugary snacks and processed foods, which can decrease appetite for healthier options. Consult a pediatrician or dietitian. If you have concerns about your toddler's eating habits, seek guidance from a healthcare professional. Don't forget to subscribe.